Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So basically, if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have this kind of percentage, so you will always be able to check the exact level of your battery, then trust me, nothing easier. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings. There we have to scroll down to find the notifications and status bar, and here tap on the status bar. As you can see, both options which are connected with the battery are right here on the actually on the very first section, and basically all you have to do is to simply, of course, customize this battery percentage. If you've got it turned off, just turn it on by tapping, and you can see that the exact percentage of the usage of the battery is applied to the status bar. So basically this is it, but I'd like to check the battery style also, as it is quite cool in this device. So we can tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options. Fortunately, the percentage will appear with all of them, so you can just pick whichever you want to. Let's check. In the horizontal, we've got the percentage. It looks kind of normal, I would say. We've got the loop, which is, personally, I think it is a cool option, and we can do not show, so you can leave only the battery percentage, or you can even turn it off and you will not be able, of course, to check anything. But I will pick the loop as it is the best in my opinion. So alright, so this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.